on how to become a TEMU affiliate as well as a TEMU influencer. To $55 per affiliate. You have an opportunity to make money with TEMU up to $100 a day, if not more, and I'm gonna show you guys how. Those are a couple of keys into getting into the TEMU influencer as well as the TEMU affiliate site.
The ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon. So in today's vlog, I wanted to do a quick vlog on how to become a TEMU affiliate as well as a TEMU influencer. If you guys have shopped with TEMU or are new to TEMU and you want to start making money by being a TEMU affiliate, then this is the vlog for you to watch. If you are new here, make sure you go hit that subscribe button. Major shout out to TEMU, and we're gonna jump into it. So I even got my notes here, you guys, so I can share all the tips and tricks on how you can start making money right now with TEMU. No matter how many followers you have, how many subscribers you have, you do not have to be an influencer, YouTuber, or anything like that. If you love shopping with TEMU, you love decorating your house, you love cooking, you make gym content, or whatever the case may be, you have an opportunity to make money with TEMU up to $100 a day on TEMU, if not more, and I'm gonna show you guys how. I got my Level Up Sis notebook here, so if you guys have not, make sure you guys go purchase my journal. It will be available in the description. As well, in the description, I will have the exact link that you need to sign up today to be a TEMU affiliate and influencer. I'm gonna give y'all all the gems real. After my TEMU review that I've been doing, I've been filming a lot of TEMU content lately with a lot of my products. Also just sharing different ways that you can start making money from your content before you are monetized. And I will say that the TEMU affiliate program, as well as the TEMU influencer program, they're two different programs. But I will say I have made more money with TEMU within the last 2 weeks than I have made with pretty much any of my other affiliate sites right now. Like easy money, literally woke up to, I think, $75. I'll actually include it on the screen. Literally woke up to $75, guys. So this is an awesome way for you to start making residual income and start making money from your content before you're monetized on any platform. Okay, so the main question everybody has is, okay, how do I make money from TEMU affiliate? So what TEMU affiliate is basically you take your ideas and create content, create shopping ideas, whatever you want to do, and you actually get paid for people using your unique link. When you sign up to become a TEMU affiliate, they will create you a unique link and a unique code. It directly links that person or that customer directly to you. For instance, if I post my affiliate code right now, and I'll put it up on the screen, this is my code. So if you click that link in the description, or I'm making fashion content and I actually have those products linked and you use my code, that ties you directly to me. So not only do I make money from the individual products that I link, I also make money from getting you to come on and be an affiliate as well. So what I love about TEMU is that you have multiple streams of income to make. Like you can do just about anything to make money on TEMU. The main thing is TEMU affiliate. So what that is basically you're getting people to download the app for the first time, or getting people who may have had the app and got rid of it to come back to TEMU, getting people to purchase products that they see you in, getting other influencers on board. You also get a commission for all of those things. That's why I really love TEMU, because no matter what you like to do, there's a way for you to make money, right? So say for instance, I did a get ready with me right now. I can make money from the links of the products that I include in the get ready with me. Also make money from you clicking on my affiliate link and you becoming an affiliate. That's the main way that you make money. Sharing your product links and getting other people to download the app, as well as bring it on new affiliates. So if you're a TEMU affiliate, you sign up and you got your friend to sign up to be a TEMU affiliate as well. Not only do you get between $5 to $55 per affiliate, depending on like their follower count and what they have going on. But even if it's $5, that's great. You virtually didn't work to do anything. So you get $5 to $55 per affiliate. You also get 20% commission of the people that they go on to bring onto the program. So you get the money that you got for the products, you get the money for bringing on an affiliate, you also get money from the sale of the affiliate, plus everybody that they bring on, you get 20% commission of those sales, right? So it's very important that you want to get people involved. You want to get people signed up as an affiliate, okay? If you know you have a homegirl and she's a cook and she always is using pots and pans and different cookware, different recipes, get her to start getting her stuff through TEMU, use your code and bring her on as an affiliate as well. That way you both can get money, you both are supporting each other, and literally you will make money in your sleep, okay? One of the things I really love about the TEMU affiliate program is that your money, you can pull it out directly, right? So I get my affiliate to join, they sign up, they start getting sales, they get other people to join as well. You see your money start to go. Every time that person signs up somebody, within like 15 minutes, you'll see that your affiliate box is checked. So you'll have like 100 boxes, right? And every time an affiliate signs up, you get a check in your boxes. You also are able to see what they're purchasing and exactly who it is that signed up, which is really good. As soon, if I wanted to cash out right now, I actually just cashed out, I think 75 bucks, and I'll leave the receipt here as well. And also some of the new stuff I cashed out, I've already made like 90 bucks just in like 2 days, y'all, just by bringing on other affiliates. So it's super easy to do. What I like about it is as soon as I want to cash out, I can. I wanted to go on today and say, okay, I don't want to invite any more affiliates. I want to go ahead and just cash out my money. I'm able to do it directly. All you need is your PayPal. Make sure you guys have a PayPal account, and your money is directly in your PayPal. I got my money like within a couple of minutes. So it's easy access to your money, easy to make money, and you can make multiple streams of money on TEMU, which I absolutely love. So on top of earning affiliate money, product links from affiliates and referrals, bringing those people on, your commissions from everything that they purchase, plus the commissions from everybody that you signed up with they purchase, you get commission from that too. So that's literally 4 or 5 ways to make money, and you really didn't have to do anything. You're literally and virtually tagging and showcasing the products that you're already using. So you're essentially getting paid for the content you're already creating. So I think that that is a win-win. Also, TEMU has a lot of bonuses. So right now they have a bonus going on. You get $12 cash, plus you get a $5 bonus, plus you get 20% of the commissions of products that they purchase, plus anybody that they bring on purchase. So as y'all can see, that is per person. So that's 17 off the top, plus the commissions for whatever they purchase. So if they had like a $50 order and you get 20% of that, you got the $12 cash, you got the $5 bonus, plus you get the 20%. So they always have different bonus programs going on where you can sign up and you make that in addition to what you're already making for your product links and different things like that. A lot of TEMU's perks and rewards are geared to you bringing on new customers, new downloads, new applications, but you still also earn commission. If I posted an outfit and I linked it and somebody already has TEMU, but they use my unique code, I also get between 5 to 20% commission on that too. You do not have to bring in new people for you to make money. You can make money from people that already have TEMU. Like guys, it's a win-win-win-win-win. Get your money, get your money. So as you can see, it is super easy to sign up. It is super easy to make money. All you gotta do is click that link that's directly in my description. Make sure you click it, sign up, and use my unique code, because that will give you some free money for you to start purchasing stuff from TEMU, for you to start creating content with. That way you can use that money that's for free, go on, find you something nice that you know that you wanna create content or something that's within your niche. Use that money to start getting your stuff on a roll. It's literally free money. So you're essentially sometimes getting paid to shop. TEMU will give you the money to shop with for you to create the content for them, for you to make more money with your affiliates. Like, you cannot beat that. You cannot beat that. So now we're gonna get into the next thing, which is the TEMU influencer program. So TEMU affiliate is for everybody, anybody, no matter your subscriber count, no matter your follower count. It can be your auntie, your grandma, anybody can be a TEMU affiliate. Now, TEMU influencer is a little bit different. TEMU influencer is actually, you have to be invited. Now, I started out as an affiliate, and I think I did really good as an affiliate, so that's why I got the invite to be an influencer. When I looked, there was no minimum subscriber count or follower count, but it is invite only, and as long as you're producing really good quality content and you're doing really good with the affiliate program, 9 times out of 10, they will invite you into the TEMU influencer program. I was an affiliate for probably like a month, maybe a month and a half, 2 months before I got my invite to be in the influencer program, okay? And as you can see, on YouTube, I only have like 3.5K, and on my Instagram, I only have like 5.4K. So you don't need a whole lot of subscribers and followers to get into the influencer program. The difference between the influencer program and the affiliate program is that the influencer program is where you really start to get campaigns, right? And as you know, if you're an influencer or a YouTuber, that's where you get money. Those are your brand deals. Basically, there are many brand deals within TEMU. So for instance, there's a couple campaigns going on right now. They have different campaigns that are like post to earn. There are some campaigns, guys, you can go, there's a list of campaigns that they have available. You can go on and select any campaign that you want. When you select those campaigns and you create that content, you get campaign funds, which is money that you earn for you to continue to buy stuff. So essentially, TEMU is giving you money to shop with for you to continue to create content. And then you get your cash funds, okay? Now, the good thing about TEMU is that if I said, okay, I don't want to create any more campaigns, I can transfer that money into my cash and just cash out and be done. Okay, but people like me actually like splitting it. I like having my money that I can just withdraw and have that as cash, and I also like knowing I got like $100-$200 right there in my campaign funds for me to go and shop and do other things, for me to create more content for you guys. So I really love that about TEMU. And all of the campaigns are different. They have brand campaigns and then they have product campaigns. So with your product campaigns is essentially you're using your campaign money to go buy products to share with you guys to get you to buy. With your brand campaign, it's specifically just tailored to promoting TEMU. Therefore, you need no products to do it. Now, this is the trick that a lot of people don't do, and I'm about to drop y'all a gem, so make sure y'all stay tuned, okay? So guys, one of the things that I would absolutely do if I was just starting out, and this is the key. So if you know that you really don't have the money to start purchasing products, but you really want to start doing campaigns, and you haven't done enough campaigns to start generating your campaign money, always start with the brand campaigns first, right? Because you don't need actual product to be able to earn income from those campaigns. So with those campaigns, you could be promoting the affiliate site, you could be promoting some of their new products. For instance, one of the campaigns I'm about to do is their TEMU Tech, which is content creator tools, showing different content creator tools, but I don't have to have the actual product. I'm actually doing like a little lookbook. So I take pictures of it and do a green screen, or just do it as a blurb, or put pictures of what I like together and make a reel out of that, or make a short out of that. So basically it's just screenshotting different pictures and stuff that you like that's based on that particular campaign, and you make money from it. Once you do about 2 or 3 of those, you'll have about $20-$30 in your actual campaign fund that you can go on and use that money to start purchasing products, okay? No campaign is worth more than the other, which I really like. You have the opportunity to make money regardless if you have money to purchase products or not. All you got to do is start with your brand campaign. So those are a couple of keys into getting into the TEMU influencer as well as the TEMU affiliate site. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I just wanted to do it real quick. I've been getting emails, messages, Instagram DMs daily about how to become a TEMU influencer, and I just wanted to come on, give you guys a couple of gems. I will do a part 2 to this after I've been in the program a little bit more, the highs and the lows. Make sure you guys go click that link and use my code to get your free money to start creating content, become a TEMU influencer and affiliate. You guys, let's get this money before the end of 2024. Shout out to TEMU, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.